how are you? Hope you're doing great. So today I'll be doing a quick Shoppers Drug Mart haul. I bought some cosmetics. It was on an amazing deal, so I thought of just grab few of them, because you know what, it depends, because we are planning, I'm not sure yet, we might go back home this year to India. So yes, so I thought why not to just, when the things are on really good deal, we can just buy some stuff, and especially the cosmetics. So yes, and Shoppers Drug Mart is one of my favorite place for cosmetics. They get really amazing deals. So let's start with the lip colors. And guys, trust me, these are so amazing, and they were at such a good deal, such a good price. These are Super Stay 24-hour lip color, and so they are from Maybelline. So it's a 24-hour color, like Super Stay color. And I mean, I bought how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 of these, and I just quickly tell you the you know, the color. This is 0 to 5. You know, this one is 0 to 5, and it stays really very good, because when I was just doing swatches, you know, when I was trying in the store. And it also has a balm. It's dual, so once you use the lip color, you can use the balm. Is really, it gives a nice feel to your lips, and it's keep your lips hydrating. So that's something, an added, like, you know, bonus, and added, like, you know, advantage of having these lip paints. So yes guys, and then as I told you, it's the color is 0 to 5, and they're all my favorite colors. So I'll just show you the quick shade. Looks like that. And the other one I have is, this is the 005, and this looks like this. This one is 0 to 0. So and this one I have is 250. And the another okay, I'll just quickly you know, because I'm really not sure if you could see the colors or not. So what I'll do is, I will do all this, and then I'll just show you like this. You know what, when I was just swatching this, I thought it would give us a, like, you know, glossy kind of feel, but then when after a while it dried, and it gave you like, you know, long stay and a matte kind of feel. So yes, this I was in love with this. So yes, and I never used this product before of Maybelline. I've been using so many colors, and as you can see, like, you know, these are different shades also. So yes, and this one was a kind of new color for me, but yes, there's no harm in trying new shades and new colors. Okay, this one is from Physicians Formula. It's again my most favorite lip colors, and this is amazing. I'll just show you the yes. And let me tell you guys, this is the shade is Vitamin Beat. So yes, and this is from Rimmel, and the number is, because this my daughter picked it, so what is the number? This is 713 Scandalous and the shade is, yes, Scandalous, and 713. I think you can just have an idea of the color it looks like. These were the lip colors, and you know, I wanted to restock on my foundations and the concealers, because that goes really fast, and you know, when we need it, then we're in a rush. Sometimes we miss it, sometimes we don't get a great deal. So yes, this is a Fit Me foundation, and this is 220. This is 25. This is 25 medium. So and it's a concealer, guys. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. It's a concealer. And yes, I quickly bought this CoverGirl you know, powder, the pressed powder, and shade is 130. Now why I bought is, though I have to stock on Fit Me, I keep one in my, you know, bag always. So I really like this one a lot, you know, though I have Fit Me and then I have a Maybelline also, but this is CoverGirl I've been using for a long time. And you know what, the things which you're using for a long time and you know it goes very well with your skin tone and skin texture and everything, so I really prefer. So whatever happens, how many things I buy, I make sure that I have one CoverGirl in my purse. So yes guys, this is all for today, and I hope you liked my, you know, the lip color, cosmetic, makeup haul, whatever you can say. So, and yes, it was really quick. So we just went out, we just saw a flyer and we saw that it has really great deals, so we just went out and quickly grabbed it. And yes guys, so if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, subscribe and comment, and also don't forget to hit a bell icon so that you get notified with my upcoming videos. So have a great day. Bye bye.